Okay, no problem. Okay, so we're gonna reschedule for tomorrow?
Looking
Okay.
good. Looking good. Looking good.
No problem. You too. Bye-bye.
Looking good.
Ray,
Yo, what's up?
another reschedule.
It happens. Florida for you right there. Everybody's scared of the rain.
Yeah. What do you do on a rainy day?
As you can see, PPF and coat bicycles. No, for real though. But we just PPF and coated this bicycle, this trail road bike. Laid a strip across the top for the bags and stuff like that. And then coated her ride out. So
Nice.
it's fresh, full carbon fiber. This thing is like so light.
Nice.
So light.
No kickstand.
No kickstand. Real bikes don't have kickstands.
Yes.
But that's a little bit of the diversity. So what we do, what detailers should be doing is, you know, exploiting their diversity. So you got to be the most diverse. So if you can't do cars, trucks, boats, whatever's outside, you got to do other vehicles. So that is another form of transportation.
Speaking of outside.
Speaking of outside, Florida cleared up for like 2 minutes. So
Ground still wet. But what we got going on out here? Start with this beautiful Lexus.
soon to be beautiful. Now it doesn't need anything serious. It's another one of our services. So when I speak about diversity, this 2011 that needs a bath, of course, it's in for a tint job on the front. So the window tinter is going to be able to get a little bit of business. We'll get a little bit of business, tint it, give it a solid bath, you know, maintenance wash on it. And it's going to his teenage daughter. So she's getting that ride. We just finished his new ride. But and then
these other drops off from yesterday.
One of my favorites, as everyone knows, I will have my Porsche one day. And this one's that like slant nose nostalgia look, of course, the wide hips, and then they brought that old school classic look back with the front end. You can catch it in those angles. So that's in for protection, 5-year. The boys over at a great PPF shop, they did the front end for us. So they PPF the whole front end. We're going to coat the rest of it, the glass, the rest of the body, the wheels, the interior. So mac it out on top of the PPF, full front. So that's another thing we do here with the multiple different variety and services. PPF, doesn't matter if it's raining or not, you can do it indoors. So PPF is another thing, should be added onto the service list. So like this Ferrari, the Roma, paying homage to Ferris Bueller. What do you think about that, Jarvis?
What's that?
That Ferris Bueller Day Off. This is like
no.
the new version.
I just can't fit in it. But this one, you getting rid of the water spots on the back of this.
Yeah. Yeah, we coated this one.
Pretty much in good shape. There's nothing just
trying
to get
you
rid
can
of the
see
hard water spots from Florida.
Yeah. See the protection working in action. So on that PPF infused, and then the rest of the car, especially the top. Got our graphene on there. Sun's trying to come out a little bit. Then it's probably going to rain in 5 minutes. You see the water spots?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
They're in there.
They're in there. I don't know if you can see
what we call those? Those sections, those panels?
Piano keys.
Piano keys, because they look like what?
I don't know if you can see them, but they underneath there. And those are the ones that ain't coming out. But you know the hero can take care of that. Just like he taking care of this LTZ.
Yeah.
Tahoe.
They just bought that.
On this one. This is what, 2012?
12? Yeah, 2012. So it's got 130,000 miles on it.
Still look good.
But it looks good. They just bought it. They were just nitpicking this ride, and they found their ride. So they also that's another thing with the on rainy days. Oh, Florida sunshine is coming out. But on rainy days, you know what is going to help you out is all the other stuff on the back end. So this truck's about to drive by. We are in the industrial, kind of industrial business part. So we see the truck boys. They even bring us their vehicle. So when as much as they hit the road, but the rainy days, you know, your Google, work your Google, because this client did their due diligence. So they went to Facebook, Instagram, Google, the website, all the places, show up in all the places. So if you haven't posted in a while, or if you haven't updated your social media, get on there, explain who you are, talk about your services, get on there, you know, make your, like Jarvis know me for, I make my drafts. So get in there, make your drafts on rainy days. That's why I think rainy days are like your most profitable days, because you're building the infrastructure, or you're rebuilding or revisiting and just formulating the whole infrastructure, so that on the busy days, it's all just go time. So, yeah, this
and also
thing.
pay your bills too.
Yes, pay your bills.
Speaking of that, we had a electrician come in. We asked for a quote, and the job was done. So that's how you make your money on a rainy day.
We're just trying to make a
We're
video.
Just trying to, yeah, you know. But it's all good. Pay no mind to this.
Yeah, this
Beautiful
big boy toy right here.
He's always bringing this thing back. Watch the van right there. He's always bringing it back in here and getting it done over and over and over. A fellas from SOS. This is actually his brother's truck pulling off. But yeah, like on the rainy days, I mean, I'm learning too also to make some phone calls, send out quotes.
Yeah.
Reach out to people who are interested, you know.
Definitely. It's the operation stuff, you know. That's just so key, because we lack on that.
Buy your chemicals.
Yeah, I mean, do all of your inventory, you know, like what we were doing. We were doing inventory earlier. So figuring out what we don't have, what we need more of, taking time to do videos. So like all of your stuff that you probably slacking on, you know, that's key too. So
never take a day off.
Yeah. So the rainy days, you know, don't get sad about them. You know, capitalize on them. Call those people back that you haven't called back. You know, get that that van, that work van, especially the shop. As you can see, shop is clean today. But those are some of the things that, you know, we constantly do on rainy days. So, but it's cool. It's cool. We like the rainy days.
Short and simple and easy.
Yeah, there's plenty of stuff that you can always do to make your business and better. That's for sure.
Get your invoices in order.
Right.
Pay taxes. Taxes coming up on the 16th. Or get them. Taxes. What do they call them? Get them deferred.
Yeah.
Might need to do that.
Check out that interior though. Our interior coating is looking good. So showcasing these clients' rides, you know, that right there is key, especially on a rainy day.
Beautiful. Well, that's it for your rainy day.
I mean, that's almost about it for your rainy day. But
you like know, Florida, you might not be a full rainy day though.
Yeah.
Sun might come out, so that's another thing. Yeah. Be ready when the sun come out.
That is a absolute key nugget. I don't even know how I even forgot that. That's like one of the top things I talk about. Though. And like my wife always, she tells everybody, like, you know, ask Dre. Dre's going to say the same thing. Never cancel your plans in Florida, or maybe wherever you are, Arizona, New York, wherever, I don't know. But in Florida, you know, rule of thumb for us is like, never cancel your schedule, whatever you're doing. If the girls are going to the beach, I'm like, no, we're going to the beach. Like, get your stuff. We're going to the beach. It's 90% chance. It's still like
might not rain.
It might not rain where you are, or it might rain for like 2 minutes. But that's the key in Florida. Never cancel until like it's raining on you at your client's house, or if they're not even dropping the vehicle off. So don't stop. And then, like he said, be prepared. When it's over, be prepared to run. So, you know, you got to hustle. But that's some key tips, some nuggets I think we gave you all for rainy days, and then slow days too, rainy days. But Jarvis, you got anything?
I think that's it.
That's it. I got to get back to work.
Yeah, get back to work.
I got some more bicycles to coach.
Got to make some orders, man.
Yeah.